It's finally here, the Samsung Galaxy S26. Today we're unboxing the base model in this stunning marble white, rocking 256 gigabytes of storage. As you can see, Samsung is sticking with the less is more approach. The packaging is slim, eco-friendly, and feels premium. Inside, we've got the main event, a 167-gram flagship that feels incredibly light but substantial in the hand. Now, let's talk about hardware. We're looking at a 6.3-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Samsung has managed to shave the bezels down even further. They are ultra-thin and perfectly uniform, which makes the screen feel like it's floating. Down at the bottom, there's the USB-C port. Big upgrade here. It now supports up to 60 watts wired fast charging, and it's finally compatible with the Qi 2 wireless charging standard for magnetic accessories. The durability is top tier too. We have the Armor Aluminum 2-frame paired with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And of course, it's IP68 rated. That means it's fully dustproof and can survive a 1.5-meter dunk in fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Aside from the phone, you also get the following: a reversible USB-C to USB-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, and manuals. Depending on your region, some units are shipping with a 25-watt power adapter as a freebie, which I've got here. It's a nice touch since chargers are so rare these days. Now let's fire it up. Hold that side button and we're greeted by the setup screen. Right away you'll see the Gemini sign-in page. It's skippable, but it's a sign of how deeply integrated Google's AI is this year. Once we're on the home screen, it's the familiar, polished One UI experience. You can swipe down from the top right to access the redesigned control center. So let's proceed with the setup process. The first step is to get on Wi-Fi. Of course, you'll want a fast connection because the S26 series introduces Agentic AI. When you dive into the settings, you'll see a whole new suite of AI features that actually learn your habits to automate tasks. Let's go ahead and set up a Google account. This is imperative for us to use Google-related features and services, particularly new app downloads and installation. The easiest way is through the Google Play app. Just tap Sign In, enter your credentials, and handle your two-step verification. Once you agree to the terms, your apps and data will start syncing in the background. Now don't skip this part. Your Samsung account is what unlocks the Galaxy ecosystem and those advanced AI backup features. Follow the wizard, verify your identity, and set up your lock screen security, whether you prefer the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner or face unlock. And just like that, we are all set. The Galaxy S26 feels fast, looks sharp, and that AI integration is looking like a game changer. We're going to spend the next week putting this camera and battery through their paces, so you definitely don't want to miss the full review. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're the first to know when our deep dive drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.